We shouldn't look over there.
Don, you're number one. Find where you want to start, and we'll line up behind you. All right, Z2. Kenny 3, Craig 4, Todd 5, BJ 6, Bob 7, Nick 8.
Oh, no one's half the battle.
All right. Okay, guys. Clean start on the tone. Here we go. Oh, careful on the straightaway, careful on the straightaway, careful on the straightaway. There. All right. Ooh, deep power by Don, but right back into the chicane. Chicane's right there to take advantage. Seth Chicane's back to the right hand Don, over back to Z. Chicane's going to let the leaders get away. Oh, Z gets on the inside, they touch. And Don's going to hold on to 2 spots from Kenny. No. Going to go into the wall. Bumping and banging. Z now has checked out. Just a minute 20 in. Z, Kenny, Todd, Craig, Don, DJ, Bob, Nick, 3 balloons that time.
It's because he's getting on the straightaway better than you are.
Yeah, it is, dude. It ain't motor.
I bet he's got a better stock motor than you do, that's all. If you want to look in, make sure it's flashing.
Three and a half over Kenny, Kenny with 3 on Todd, Todd with 1 on lead over Craig, and we got 3 points in the second to BJ. 4, 5, 6 coming down the straightaway right together. There's got the spot. Don trying to get through, BJ reeling them in. 3:45 still to go. Careful of the chicane, careful of the chicane, coming out of the chicane, coming out of the chicane, careful out of the chicane. Kenny all the way back.
Oh, shit.
3 minutes, 15 seconds left to go. He's down front by now, 10 seconds over to Todd. And he's got Craig, Don, BJ all right behind him. He's behind him. 2 for Todd, 12 for 1 for Craig.
Really bogging right there.
Careful coming off the straightaway. You're clear. 2, 3, 4.
I'm pushing so bad.
Onto the straight.
Inside, guys.
They're on the inside. And Don goes by Todd.
Whoa!
Careful with the understraight. Slow car there. Clear. All right. Onto the straight. Here we go. Greg and Don. 2:20 left to go. And then cars up next. Here's to the 2 spot now. Craig and Don. Up front, about straight away behind him. In the 4 spot. And back from this battle. Woo! Don catches it. That's going to get BJ in the 4 spot. The 3 spot, sorry. Minute 45 still to go.
If you need to go, Z, tell me. You're good.
Get in the line here. 12-2, 12-3, 1.2 seconds between Craig and BJ. Well, 3:12.0 for DJ, personal best. Oh no, sorry, the left go 11.9. Greg puts down his personal best 12.0 that time. Okay, left to go here, drivers. 1 minute. Yeah, 1.3 seconds. Do another 11.98 for DJ, 1.2 now. And this time, 12.36, 12.18, 1.1. 30 seconds left to go.
Craig, I am trying so hard.
I see that.
12.21, 12.32. And flag out. One more time around. He took a big chunk out that time, 12.5 to 12.2. Oh. To the line, guys. Bob makes it through to get that extra lap. And just waiting on Bob, and that'll be it. There we go. Lead with 30, Craig, DJ, Don, all with
I was trying.
Good run, guys. Good run.
I
I still think I'm overgeared because it's bogging still.
still.